the pioneer of this telework, Amy, then Ate Jo and Kelly. So, we'd like to present to you a small flashback of last year. Music, please.
Tama tayo.
Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! So, and now, we would like to present the 2008 version of a birthday greeting for you. Oh, ito na.
Umilaw na ang nalilig. Pakimbukan mo na. Tapos na kayo. Kurbaga. Uy, papasok ka na dito. Yung ka na doon sa likod. O, sabihin nyo, baka yan si Aisel.
Sabihin mo daw. Now present our news.
O, sayo na kayo tatlo. Sayo na, kahit ano. Aisel!
Pakilala kayo!
Oh.
Ikaw muna!
Happy birthday, ikaw sabi na.
Hi, I'm Edray.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir.
Ay na, ikaw na.
I am Chris. Happy birthday, Tom. Peace, man.
Happy birthday, Tom. I'm Hazel. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tom! And hi, Mr. Lee! From Roger Daddy!